If you can hang a picture, you can install your new Tranquil sheer vertical shades. Today we're going to show you just how easy it is. Check that you have all the included hardware, and let's get started. First, decide where you'll be installing the brackets. There are two types of mounts, inside mount or outside mount. Whichever type of installation you choose, make sure the brackets are installed far enough forward so you'll have enough clearance to open and close your shades without interference. Inside mount is the most popular method of installation and is usually the easiest. If you don't have a valance for your shades and at least 2 5/8 inches of depth, you can mount your window coverings inside the window. Outside mount is commonly used for sliding doors or when your window doesn't have much depth. You'll simply install your brackets to the wall or flat window frame to mount the shades. In this case, just be sure the blind will clear any protruding door handles. Once you've decided what kind of mount you're going to use, position your brackets. For inside mount, the two outermost brackets should be placed 2 inches from the sides of the window recess. Remaining brackets should be positioned evenly between them. Next, use a pencil to mark the positions of the screw holes. Use a small drill bit to drill pilot holes first, then widen those holes with a larger drill bit. Tap a wall anchor into each hole you made, then screw the brackets firmly into place. To attach the headrail into the brackets, simply hook the front lip of the headrail under the front lips of the brackets, then raise the back of the headrail and press up firmly until you can feel it snap into place. Double-check to ensure the headrail is firmly attached to each bracket. With your headrail installed, use the tilt wand to turn the vane hooks so the open part is facing you. Then take the fabric vanes and fold each in half horizontally. Attach each fabric vane to the next, using the hangers that are pre-attached to the fabric. Locate the spare hangers in your hardware and clip them to the first and final vanes. Take the connected fabric and push each hanger up into the corresponding vane hooks. When you're finished, use the wand to tilt and pull the shade to ensure everything looks and operates properly. That's it! You now know how to install your Tranquil sheer vertical shades. If you have any questions or need more help installing your shade, refer to the installation instructions on our website or just give us a call. We're here to help.